Crafty Gang, and welcome back to another episode with Crafty Moms. My name is Aviance, and I'm behind Crafty Moms. In today's video, I will be showing you how to clean your Cricut mats and how to restick your mats so that the vinyl won't come off your mats. I'm going to make this video simple and short, but before I get into this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you drop a comment down below, whether if that's a comment of you letting me know what type of videos you would like to see me post on my channel, whether if it's DIYs or learning how to use your Cricut machine or any type of projects in general. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you already subscribed to my channel, thank you. I really appreciate all the love and support. And if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time Crafty Moms drops a new video. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. The first thing you will need is your Cricut mats, of course, some water, a toothbrush, and some Dawn dish detergent. All right, gang, now for the fun part. Now you're going to start scrubbing. You want to scrub hard enough to clean your mat, but not hard enough to where you're scrubbing off the stickiness off the mat. And if you do that, then the vinyl will not stick to your mat. So scrub lightly, but make sure you scrub enough to make sure that you're cleaning everything off your mat. All right, Crafty Gang. So as you could tell by the video, you could tell that my mats are a little dry now. So now I'm just going to test it out to make sure that they stick to my hand. And before I end this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have, I really, really appreciate and thank you for all the love and support. And if you haven't, go ahead and jump on this team and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. I don't post often, and I'm very sorry. I will get to every video. I do check my comments a lot. If I did reply to your comment and haven't gotten to the video that you've requested, I really apologize. Life has gotten to me. All right, you guys, and that's going to be the end for this video. As you can see that my mats are sticking to my hand. So I'm going to go ahead and do the final test to see if my vinyl is going to stick to my mats. And I'm going to go ahead and jump off this video. Catch you guys in the next crafty video.